Oftentimes, when I'm programming in C, I wish I had access to some reflective features that other languages have. One example I run into a lot is the ability to convert an enum to a string. The way one would normally do this in C is to create an array of char pointers that point to strings that correspond to each enum. One could then use this array and an enum to access a desired string. I am not a fan of this approach, as it requires one to rewrite the same text multiple times. It also makes it a hassle to add new enums with this feature, as one would have to make edits in multiple places to the code. This is where X macros come in. X macros are a way of storing lists of elements that are wrapped in macros as a macro. This is so that we can use a single macro to generate various C structures and code for a given list of elements. For instance, we can store this list of animals in an X macro format. We can then use the macro list of animals to generate an enum for each animal. To do this, we will need to define X in a way that it will generate the inside of the enum. We can then write the enum as so. We can now create our array of corresponding strings. To do this, we will need to undefine X and then redefine X so that it will generate the inside of the array. Once X has been redefined, we can write our string array like this. This method is very useful because it allows us to quickly add new elements to our list. These new elements will then be added to both our enum and string array. Despite this trick relying on dark macro magic, I believe it to be very powerful. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.